Hey guys, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA. I have a 2012 Ford F450, two-wheel drive, 6.7 diesel, 9-foot Knapheide service body with a 4004 EH auto crane on it, 4,000 pound max lifting capacity. This truck's got just under 86,000 miles on it. It's about 85,700 something. Very clean. Spent its whole life down in Alabama. Pretty good trim all the way around. And zero rust up underneath. It's undercarriage in great shape here. Nice clean truck. Interior's in great shape, no rips, no tears. Seats are nice and clean. Vinyl seats, rubber floors, XL work truck trim. Does have cruise control. Does not have power locks or windows. But pretty clean truck all the way around. Does have a compressor in it. I haven't run it yet. It needs some fuel. And the crane, I'm waiting on a couple parts to get that working. It currently has no power to it. So truck should be ready in about a week from now. Today's March 16th. So probably beginning of next week. On the 22nd or so, I'll have it ready. But like I said, body's in great shape. Really not a whole lot of wear on it. A couple rock chips here and there and some dings. You can see as I get up close here, but all in all the metal's solid. Truck runs really well. You can hear it running right now. Plenty of power. It's a corded remote for the crane. That's just some grease and dirt at the bottom of the body. That's not rust. And here's a shot of the load chart here. No tow hitch on the truck. It has manual outriggers. There's the compressor in the back. Big air tank underneath. It's a Honda powered compressor. If you have any questions, want to see anything else up close, any other pictures or videos, you can call me, text me anytime. It's 804-716-8487. And again, this is a 12 450 6.7 diesel, two-wheel drive with just under 87,000 miles. And should be ready March 22nd. I'm just finishing up getting the crane operational, and it needs some depth fluid apparently, so not a big deal there. But drives well. Again, if you have any questions, it's 804-716-8487, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video.